the most capable controller for application-optimized performance. Introducing the MPC V5. Same controller, even more customizable, and now with additional features for HVAC applications. With the ability to monitor across multiple zones, the MPC Controller adapts to any change in demands, ensuring the most effective performance with the lowest power consumption. Thanks to its increased flexible sensor connectivity, the MPC Controller interacts with your existing building management and SCADA systems. No need to install additional sensors. Just use existing sensors connected to the management system and you are ready to go. The controller can analyze pump parameters and calculate the optimal sequence of operation. This is very unique compared to other solutions and will effectively control the pumps in any type of system. The MPC Controller is adaptable to many types of installations, such as externally controlling the filling of a tank to a predefined level. To further increase the adaptability, the sensor input can be labeled to fit the actual installation. Regardless of the application, the MPC Controller monitors and calculates the differential value between any types of sensors connected to the controller, increasing customization possibilities. For systems with high variations in flow, the MPC Controller is able to switch to a pilot pump to retain a high system efficiency. The MPC is the most energy efficient and customizable controller for circulation and pressure boosting.